We're here with Carl TZ, the MVP of today's game. Congratulations. We gotta talk about you doing the TP. You and Arad going back and forth. Hayabusa versus Lancelot. You guys were going at it. What was that about?
Ano lang po, parang part lang naman ng game yung TP. So parang ginagawa ko lang din. Tapos parang nakakamiss yung mga yung nakakabang fights na tinitake ko. Parang pumapasok ako, tapos parang isang mali lang patay na ako. So parang napapampa ko sobra ganun.
The TP, he says it's part of the game, it's part of the excitement, but what gets him really excited are those clashes that one move and it can go wrong. So it's really exciting for him, and that really pumps him up with those risky moves. Because you and Arad, you guys have had a rivalry going on, but impressive with the Lancelot. Would you say, because we had the M2 skin, because of Carl, the GOAT, they awarded him the Lancelot skin. So would you say the M2 Carl Lancelot is back?
Feel ko po, in terms of skill po, parang same pa rin naman po. Pero feel ko po, mas kailangan ko angatan kasi yung mga heroes ngayon parang kaya na talaga one-hitin yung Lance. Tapos medyo out of meta pa yung Lance.
He says in terms of skill, it's the same, but he feels like he needs to up it a little bit more because with the heroes right now, with just with one hit, they could overtake the Lance. So Lance is not really part of the meta right now, even though it's the assassin. So he needs to improve a little bit more. That's what he feels. Now, how confident do you feel seeing the tournament right now that you guys will get to the grand finals?
100% confident po kasi parang sobrang lakas po ng team kapag nag-enjoy lang po.
He feels 100% confident because he feels that their team is super strong when they're just enjoying the game. Now, what's your message to the opponents that you're gonna face, not just here in the group stage finals, but towards the playoffs? What's your message to them?
Good luck na lang sa ating lahat. Bigyan natin magandang laban mga fans na lang.
He says good luck to all the fights and the games that you guys are going to go up against with him. And let's give the fans a good fight. Congratulations once again. We love seeing you play with Lance. Now we're going to go back to our panel with our casters to break it down even more for you.